Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes. So again, archetypes are character types. So characters that exhibit a particular patterns of behavior. So in a story, the hero is the central figure and he or she undergoes a specific quest. But the hero is not a full-fledged individual in the very beginning of the journey. He or she will meet people that will shape his or her journey. So one of the most influential would be a mentor. A mentor is a wise and experienced character who guides and advises the hero on their journey. So they impart wisdom and knowledge. Examples would be Gandalf in The Lord of the Ring by J.R.R. Tolkien and Dumbledore in the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. So they are the archetypes of a mentor. Apart from a mentor, the third archetype would be the shadow. The shadow is the antagonist or a darker aspect of the hero's personality, representing repressed desires, fears, or flaws. So, for example, Darth Vader is the shadow in the Star Wars franchise. Gollum is the shadow in The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. So the shadow could be the main villain or just someone that represents the hero's darkness.